Let's stop hard coding values and let the user type into our app directly. Let's start with a state. So we want the user to enter their name. So I'll create a variable called name by remember, and then I'll pass mutable state, and then initially it is empty. I want to allow the user to enter input. So there is a component called TextField. TextField. Field. When you put your mouse on it, you see the things it accepts. It's a lot of things. So let's look at the common ones. So the first thing that it accepts is value. So value, you need to set the value. So this value will be equal to this state. And then the next thing is on value change. And that's when the value change, what do you want to happen? When the user enter a character or something, you want this state here to be updated. So whatever the user enters, this is what the user enters. We are assigning it to the state so that it will reflect in the UI. That's all. These are the two compulsory properties you have to set for the text field. The first one is the value, which updates what the person has entered. And then the on value change, assign what the person entered to your state. So let's run this one and see how it works. So now you come here and then you type. So we see that the user is entering something. So let's put a test here so that it will show what the user has entered. So I'll just put a test above the test field and then pass. So whatever the person will type, we will see hello name. So I'll run it again. So now when the user types Maoli, you see Maoli on the screen. So it's updating directly. You are now handling user input. In the next video, we'll build a login screen to put all what we've learned together and then learn some new properties as well. See you.